is Pranay. I work in Sabre as a contributor software developer.
Can you briefly describe Sabre in your own words?
Well, Sabre is a product-based company that provides technology-based solutions to travel domain industry, which includes airlines, hotels, cruises globally. Our main customer group, let's say, is in Latin America side, or let's say US. We are a US-based company and headquartered in Texas. In India, we operate from Bangalore, Mumbai, and Delhi. Bangalore being the development hub for Sabre.
Pranay, how can we see the presence of Sabre in day-to-day things around us?
Well, if you want to travel, be it renting a car, be it booking a flight, you are using Sabre. How? We are into PNR generation, we are into check-in, we are into ticketing, we are into baggage claim, whatever is related to, let's say, airline industry for starters. And then if you are booking a hotel, we are there. Then if you are booking a cruise, we are there. So as I mentioned before also, let's just say the number of transactions that happen is through Sabre servers rather, globally amount up to 1 lakh per second, and ticketing generates around 8.7 million transactions per day by itself. So yeah, that should show you our global presence. In India, we have Indigo and Jet as our clients as far as I know for now. In Middle East, we have Lufthansa and Emirates, the big names. In US, we have American Airlines, we have Virgin Australia, we have British Airways, to say the least. We are, all in all, we have around 500 plus airlines as our clients.
Yeah, so Pranay, how is Sabre better than the rest of its competitors?
Well, as you must have gathered by now, we are a pretty big brand. We have a global visibility. So when it comes to clientele, yeah, we are able to attract them pretty easily, let's say. Then we have a good speed to market because we have pretty good trained workers here. And yeah, from security perspective, we do put clients security as our first preference while coding. So we have good coding practices as well.
What are the technologies that Sabre is working on currently?
Well, a market presence requires good GUI, let's just say. So we have our presence when it comes to smartphones and your desktop also. So when it comes to desktop, yeah, front end and back end, we work on scripting languages for front end. For back end, we work on mostly Java, core and advanced Java. Advanced Java would include different frameworks like Spring, Hibernate, Camel, etc. Then for the database perspective, we work on MySQL and Oracle mostly. And for smartphones, we have Android developers, we have iOS developers, and yeah.
So Pranay, what is the exposure that you get at Sabre outside of your work?
Well, we have a lot of team building activities, which there's no specific order for that or frequency. Whenever some delegate from US comes, or it just happens on the whim of the person who wants to take it. And then there are CSR events, various CSR events for which we go outside company to orphanages or old age homes. So we went to an NGO just to meet children and to teach them to make drawings on the walls and to spend some time with them. Then there are different clubs, like there's a fun committee which I'm a part of. So we organize events for Valentine's Day, Women's Day, Men's Day, and all. Then there are dancing groups, there are singing groups. It's like a small college campus in a company. Then I was also sent for recruitment from my company, so that was a privileged thing for me at such an early age. That casted a good impression on the people whom I went to recruit. Then for higher studies also, Sabre bears the cost on a contract basis, though for 2 years. It bears the cost for your MBA and MS outside and inside India. And we have a tie-up with BITS Pilani, where the people from BITS, the professors rather, they come to the office during the weekends to take classes for people who want to do an MS, and there is no bond for that. The company bears the cost for the entire 2-year period. Then there are on-site opportunities for developers in the initial stages. Obviously, we don't need a lot of on-site opportunities, but for people with higher profiles and people with profiles like business analyst and marketing, there are such opportunities because we are into travel domain. So yeah, there will be travel opportunities.
Pranay, how does Sabre interact with students who are currently in college?
Well, Sabre invests in the technical and cultural fest for colleges which it recruits from. It's partly a student connection activity and partly a marketing and publicity activity, so it works both ways. So the colleges will include NIT Surathkal, IIT Madras, BITS Pilani, Goa, Hyderabad campuses, RV, BMS and various other colleges in Bangalore and outside Bangalore. And as a part of the competitions or the competitions basically that are held as part of Technical Fest, Sabre offers internships in some colleges as well.
Pranay, can you tell us about the work culture and the work environment at Sabre?
When talking about work culture, let's start with working hours, which are pretty flexible. You can get into the office and get out of the office at any time, be it 12 in the afternoon and 4 in the evening, or be it 9 in the morning and 12 in midnight. So the office never closes, how much amount of work you can do. When after that work pressure, that totally depends on an individual's capability as to how he or she handles the projects, let's say the assignment, the deliverables, because obviously all deliverables have deadlines everywhere. So there are times when there can be some pressure, but well, that's what you were tested for during recruitments. Then relationship with the manager. We have pretty chilled out managers. Firstly, the best thing about Sabre is we don't have the hierarchy system. We don't have any cubicles for the manager, special delegates or anything. Or the manager will sit beside you in a normal table as you would, and then let's say my manager plays Clash of Clans with me. I'm in his clan, and during the one-on-one sessions also we discuss mostly about all such games and all. After the serious part is done. Work environment will majorly include games or food. For games, we have a foosball table, couple of foosball tables actually, couple of TD tables. We have a dartboard, carom, and simple indoor games. We do have inside Sabre cricket teams and TD teams and foosball teams which participate in inter-company events. And Sabre is also one of the companies that actually hosts such kind of events. We have a Sabre Premier League in which different companies do participate. We have full-fledged teams inside Sabre for 10 to 15 different indoor and outdoor games. Then for food, we make use of the ITPM facilities.